Assalamu alaikum. Hello and welcome to unboxing Huawei watch gt2. This watch is 46 millimeters. It comes in several editions. This one is 46 millimeters. This is the box. This one comes with brown strap. We will see now what is in the box. In these videos, we don't go in depth. It is only for unboxing and what you are going to get inside the box when you buy the watch. This is the main purpose of these videos. Huawei watch GT2 46 millimeters. Here's the watch. Here's some covering. Here's the 46 millimeter Huawei watch. This small piece only for catching the watch. Here's the watch. The model number 819. Here's the watch. As I told, brown strap comes with the watch. It looks bigger and more thinner than the Galaxy Frontier. Let's continue to see what's inside the box. Here we have this. This is a brown strap. It is not standard with the watch, but it is it comes as a gift with the watch from the seller. Let's see what also we can get here. Here we can find two small books. This is the user manual. Comes in different languages: Chinese, English, French, Dutch, Arabic. هذا كتاب تعليمات كمان. هذا وارنتي كارد. هاي هون الوارنتي تبعت الساعة. شوف كمان هون شو بيجي معاها. هي أنا محاول طالع هاي العلبة بس شكلها مثبتة جوا ما عم تطلع، وهاي شكلها كأنه ملزقينها من تحت. نشوف هون شو في معنا كمان. عرفنا القصة. إذا هاي هيك هتشوفها بهالشكل هاد. نمسكها من هون نفتحها هيك. This tricky tongue here will catch it open like this. We see what's inside. Here's the looks like charging cable. Let me see. Yes, charging cable. هذا كابل شحن. Charging cable type C. That's a good point. That's the charging cable type C. This means this will charge very fast. What we have here also, charging dock. This is a charging cable with a charging dock. Type C. Charging dock. It comes without power adapter. So you have to use your telephone for adapter to recharge the watch. Here in the charging dock we can see two small dots. This is the charging dots. You have to put the it is magnetic. See, it is magnetic charging dock. If we put wrong, it will not catch. Like this, it takes place. Like this, it will not catch. See? هاي الشاحن مغناطيسي. إذا ما حطيته بالطريقة الصحيحة ما بيمسك. إذا حطيته هيك راح يبعد ما راح يمسك. بس تحطه بالطريقة الصحيحة بيمسك. نشوف الساعة. هاي البداية بتختار اللغة. مثلا راح اختار انجليزي. bearing language reset about. هاي الساعة بتحتاج برنامج خاص من هواوي يجي بدك تنزله على الموبايل مشان تعمل بيرنج للجهاز. وهاي موديلها، هاي شكلها. أتمنى أنه تكونوا عجبتوا الفيديو. I wish that you like, subscribe and share this video with your friends, and maybe you enable notification for our new videos. مثل ما قلنا هاي الفيديوهات هي بس تعرف شو فيديو. نشوفكم على خير والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.